101.1 Smart FM, the Spirit of Indonesia. Yes, as usually every Wednesday, 17 p.m. 5 p.m. I mean until 7 p.m. So 7 p.m. until 8 p.m. We are here, of course, with Smart FM and English communities in South Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And as usually, I'm not alone here. We have a friends from several or a few communities in Makassar, English communities, of course. And before we are talking about our topic for this evening, I would like to invite them one by one, smart listeners and viewers at home, to recognize themselves, of course, to smart listeners and viewers. Hi guys, please use this. Come on, first. Okay. Hi guys.
Hi.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hello.
Okay, how's it going?
It's good. It's nice.
Good. Nice. Okay, I'm excellent. Okay. Anyway, yes. As I mentioned just now, that before we are going to talking about our topic, of course, I would like to invite you guys one by one, to smart listeners, to recognize, to introduce yourself to them. Okay, please start from you. What is your name? What is your community? And what about the schedule and how looks like your community? Come on, please see the camera.
So my name is Kania Arisha. I am a convey of the Macha community.
Mm-hmm.
It's a community in Makassar. It's have a purpose to engage and connect people, of course, to improve their social and English skill.
Okay. What about the schedule? Your community. I always heard that your community was like nomaden.
Yeah.
Right? It's
Maybe
very unique.
mobile,
Oh my
yeah.
god. Okay, please tell us about it.
Their activity or their event
Mm-hmm.
usually held on Saturday or Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
They do it mobile. Sometimes they do it in Gramedia on the hotel room.
Okay, Kenya, welcome in our second home,
Yeah.
Smart FM. Thank you. Okay, next. Okay, what is your name? Please introduce yourself. What is your community and how looks like your community?
Okay, hi. My name is Gabriela Virginia Malino, but just go with Ijin.
Okay.
IJIN.
I
But not
I surprised with Malino. Oh my god.
I'm not born in Malino, sir.
Okay. Later you explain about this. Please confirm. Okay.
Actually,
continue.
I am with Miss Kani from Meta.
What stand for of Meta?
Meta, it's but for now there's no official announcement for
Mhm.
Meta what will be held.
Matcha Assembly.
Macha English Talk Assembly.
English Talk Assembly. Yeah, that's what I mean.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes they held in Gramedia, but recently in Macha office at
Mm-hmm.
Perintis.
Sorry.
Across of
Parenthesis.
yeah,
Okay.
Perintis. Across of immigration office.
Okay. Parenthesis and immigration.
Perintis.
Okay, I like it. Okay, thank you. Welcome in our second home. Yeah, Miss Ijin, right? Okay, please. Can I borrow this? Okay, please introduce yourself, to smart listeners and viewers at home. What is your community and how looks like? What about the schedule, please?
Okay, thank you for your opportunity.
Mm-hmm.
Hello guys, my name is Fekir Hamzaki and I am
Yes.
from BPEC Gua Makassar.
Uh-huh.
Our communities has been established in 19, if I'm not
Mistaken.
mistake,
Don't you want to ask me?
1804 or 89, and there is there are many program on our community, especially a new program,
Mm-hmm.
at least review books and watching movie,
Okay, review books and watch a
Yeah.
movie.
and we do it on Sunday.
Mm-hmm. On Rotterdam.
Yep.
Okay,
on
how
for
if
Rotterdam.
the students or the peoples or a public come from public, yes, want to join with your community? How is the procedure?
I think there's no procedure to
Mm.
do that. You just come to Fort Rotterdam,
Mhm.
and if you already see the flag of
The
our
banner.
the banner of
Uh-huh.
our community, that's right. That's
Mm.
it. What we open.
Just come.
Just
and
come.
share your food.
No, not really.
Yeah, you may. Come on.
Okay, I hope you come on
Mhm.
Sunday because we want to review our new program.
Okay.
It is
and the
review
most
movie.
important is free, right?
Yep, it is
so
free.
for the the detailed information about it, mention please the Instagram.
OBPC official
BVC
80
official.
89
BVC official.
49
Makassar.
46 BPC Makassar 46
86.
86
Yes.
I apologize.
I know.
It is my mistake.
Okay, please. Sorry. What about the Instagram of Meta? Could you mention to smart listeners?
If I'm not mistaken, is Macha community.
Ah,
Macha community.
Okay, just right. Yeah, typing.
Yeah. Just search
Matcha
out on Instagram.
community.
Yeah.
Okay, please follow and ask anything. Yeah. Okay. Okay. What about you?
Okay.
Okay. Are you familiar? Are you famous?
Okay. Saya smart viewers and also
Uh-huh.
smart listeners
Uh-huh.
in studio and at home. I'm Novel Mufli, but you can call me Nop.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, I'm originally from Goa, from Sungguh Minasa.
You mean
and-
like Goa? It's like relate with our topic cave.
Yeah, cave. Goa. Yeah. It seems similar, like
Yes.
cave Goa.
Yes.
Okay. And
Like in India, like in South Sulawesi, Goa.
Yeah.
Yes.
okay, so yeah, I'm from Equinsa.
Mm-hmm.
That sheltered in our new shelter is in Japing, Patalasang.
Okay, like Japin Melayu.
No. Yeah, we moved from Romampolong.
Okay.
So right now,
You know, I mean like hutan
Mhm.
terbelah.
Romampolong,
Romampolong. Okay.
Romang Terpolong. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So
Yes. Yes.
yeah, that's
Really?
the meaning.
Mm.
Okay, so yeah, in Aquinsa we have intensive class as usual, like twice in a week, and also we have like event, Equinsa Literary Festival, and also we have Togetherness Camp
Mhm.
and another event. Like yeah, but it seems like stuck because the board is very busy maybe. But yeah, we wait for the comeback of this community.
Okay.
We wait until
Soon,
the
yeah?
new
Uh-huh.
the new open recruitment for all the members.
Okay, hopefully, yeah.
Yes.
Okay, giving a bless for us, guys. Thank you for you introduce yourself to smart listeners and viewers at home. Yes. Okay. Now we will going to talking about our topic for this evening. Our topic is very mind blowing and very random. It's a jump, always jumping from another topic to another topic. It's very, very jumping, and we were talking about ancient human. We were talking about the how to say civilization before the latter, rise in the world. And we were talking about the nomaden system. We're talking about the relief, about heritage, about nature. Yeah, the existence of human being. Yeah, before now. Yeah, very, very long time ago. And that's why our topic for this evening is prehistoric era. Giving applause for us. Yes. Okay. Consists of three words: prehistoric and era. If we translate to Indonesia, means that zaman prasejarah. Artinya zaman sebelum mengenal tulisan. Smart listeners. So, are you ready, guys? Yes, please use this. Come on. Please your microphone, your mic. Okay. Are you ready?
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yes, I
Okay. I start from Kania. Yes. You know, our topic is very mind blowing. What is your personal opinion about our topic for this evening?
I think this is a very interesting topic
Mhm.
because there's a viral issue that a girl
Oh yeah.
saying that
Okay.
Erika in TikTok, she
Uh-huh.
said that the first painting in the world is in South Sulawesi.
I means that the oldest. The
Yeah,
first it
it
means that the
is.
oldest.
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm.
Okay.
And then that's why I think it's important for us, especially we're Indonesian, to discover a lot of our history.
Our ancestor.
Yeah, ancestor.
Okay, so this is a very, very yeah. You know, smart listeners can't wait to, hear our explanation maybe from the expert. Okay,
Soon to-
you keep your statement. You have any addition?
I
You
think
keep your
that's- yeah.
statement. Okay, thank you, Kenya. Next, yeah. What do you think about our topic for this evening?
Actually, this is really relevant with my major.
Oh wow! What is your major?
I'm graduate of archaeology from Hasanuddin University. And disclaimer, I'm not really into with this topic because it's really hard to study.
Uh-huh.
And the way I know is prehistory era. It's talk about the period of human
Mhm.
history.
Please the
And,
position on your mic. Come on. Okay.
the
Yes.
period of human history.
Mhm.
I learned there is some like revolution of
Mhm.
human adaptation.
Mhm.
There's
Revolution in
something
Galapagos.
else.
Charles Darwin.
Yeah.
Uh-huh. So you think this is a very, very amazing substance.
Yeah,
And
because we
that-
learn from the 5 period of
Mhm.
human history before the
Five
written.
period.
Yeah,
Could you elaborate or explain to smart listeners what are they?
of course.
5 period.
I believe that we learn from school
Mhm.
this the history. The first period. It's well known is the Paleolithic age.
Okay.
It's
In bahasa Paleolithicum.
yeah. It's
Okay.
now well known is old stone age. Old stone age.
Okay.
We learn from Getter and Getter Hunter.
Okay.
Hunter and Getter lifestyle.
And the second?
The second is the Mesolithic.
Okay.
Yeah, it's
Meso, it's like a middle?
yes, the Middle Stone
Tengah.
Age. Yeah, the Middle
Okay,
Stone Age.
Meso,
It's talk about the technology of bones. Like
Uh-huh.
they know how to use the not bones, stone. How
Stone.
to use
Mm.
the stone
Uh-huh.
to make some of food.
Like the valley stood?
Yeah.
The cartoon? Yeah, you know what I mean, right? Uh-huh.
The third is the Neolithic. It's
Mhm.
the new Stone Age.
Mm.
Yeah, they learn from agriculture,
Okay.
domestication animals. Yeah.
They found the system how to planting the plant,
of
something like
course,
that.
the agriculture.
Okay, agricultures.
Yeah.
And
The
next?
fourth is the Bronze Era.
Oh.
And this last is, if I'm not mistaken, is Iron Era.
Iron.
Yeah.
Iron Man?
Yeah.
It means that they can, make it like apa sih itu nekara, something like that.
Nekara. Nekara is
The perkakas,
Yeah,
huh?
perkakas. Yeah.
The tools, okay.
It's the relics is the artifact is. Do you know that's the coin from China?
Yeah. Almost I say just now that nekara means that neraca. Oh my god, almost. Okay, thank you. Give your statement. Okay, I move to Fikri. What about you? What do you think about our topic for this evening?
Yeah, it is interesting because
Mm.
why there is
So you study hard.
yeah
Yeah.
because it is one of understood that
Mm.
what Charles Darwin said that
Yes.
human from monkey
Human from?
from the ancestor of the ancestor of human from the monkey.
Oh my
But it
god.
is misunderstood. Why? I read that it is not like that.
Mhm.
The monkey and the human the are same. Not because that like our ancestor are
Yeah.
monkey.
Uh-huh.
No, but our ancestor and our ancestor and monkey ancestor are same.
Totally different or same?
Are not.
Yes.
It's different. It's
Yeah.
different.
Yes.
But the ancestor is same.
Uh-huh. On science perspective.
Like what evolution or badan. Maksudnya
Okay.
pola badannya, maksudnya
Uh-huh.
kerangka badannya.
Yeah, by Charles Darwin, right?
Yep.
Yeah,
It
the
is
evolution.
evolution.
Okay, so this is a very scientifically, right?
Yep.
Okay, keep your statement. I move to you. How do you think about our topic for this evening?
Okay.
Prehistoric era. So this is a
Mhm.
very, very, mind blowing.
Yeah, I think so because back in school, like I was actually very excited if there is some of us like discuss about the historical era,
Mhm.
prehistorical era. I always want to know about how the ancient human, how they can communicate with the other one, how they
By sign language, yeah.
sign
Okay.
language, and also how they can interact, how they exchange ideas with the others, and
Mhm.
also like hunting and also gather with the other.
Yeah.
I'm very excited about how they can do all of that, and so and also when I was in school in
Yeah.
Senior high school,
Mhm.
there's some program from Raja Wali Back to Sejarah. They
It means like
brought us-
on street or the bird Rajawali.
it's like a organization.
Ada organization.
It's my school.
Oh yeah.
Ah, really?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, continue. You said
They seems like the community or like some organization,
Mhm.
and they brought us to like Monument Mandala, and also and to Leang Leang,
Okay.
2017, I
Have you
guess.
visit Liang
Yeah,
Liang?
I
Oh,
visit.
really?
And I saw like the painting, but not the oldest one.
Okay.
Uh-huh. Like I see the figure of the pig, of the hand. Yeah.
Yeah.
It totally like 27, 27
Oh.
picture of the hand.
Okay.
Mhm.
Wow.
Yeah.
Using the composition. Actually, I'm
Yeah.
curious about the composition of the painting. I mean, like the, like a chat. I mean, like
Yeah.
what is the composition actually?
I'm sorry.
What is the composition?
They use some. We from the archaeologists we say ochre.
Ochre.
Okay. What is the
It's
man?
made of from I
Blood?
forgot what made for. Not blood.
But
It's
red color.
stone like the red
Oh, really?
No, I'm not sure, but I'm sorry
Mhm.
from my archaeology
Uh-huh.
mate.
But the
Ochre,
camera
ochre.
is there.
It names
Sorry if I'm not mistaken.
it names ochre, right?
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
ochre.
That's
Okay.
like that.
Oh my God, this
Yeah.
is a very, very,
Mm.
surprise.
Yeah, it's very exciting.
Yeah.
to
So
discuss.
you finished with
Yes.
your statement? Okay. Yes. Thank you. I move to the second question. So why in Indonesia, especially recently in TikTok, in social media, it is very viral, and why the science considered that this is the second or the first old, how to say, lukisan tangan, yeah, the age in the world. How we prove that is the oldest? There is a special system or technique or tools that we can prove that is the first or the second. Yeah.
Yeah. There is.
Okay, you may explain about it.
They know it from the I forgot the English of. Nah, they took the stone, not the stone, like dinding yang ada gambarnya,
Mm-hmm.
and they took it and they broke it into the Australian, if I'm not mistaken. I forgot the technology of how to know the age of is.
Yeah.
I forgot, but it's they take it in from this, and it's called popcorn. If I'm
Ah,
not mistaken,
really?
Yeah,
Popcorn?
popcorn. It's like have you ever seen in the if you ever go to
Movie?
going to cave
Yeah,
and that you
uh-huh.
see some like there in
Stalactite?
not
It's
stalagmite.
different?
That is there is the popcorn like bulat-bulat in the apa
Like
dinding-
polka-dot.
dinding the cave. Yeah, they took it and they broke it into the Australian, but I forgot
Oh my
the
God.
technology is.
Oh yes.
And
Radiocarbon?
radiocarbon.
Different?
Mm,
Different
no,
method?
there's different. I forgot.
To make sure to measure how to say the old the timeline. Yes.
The from the technology we can know the timeline of the action, the relics of this.
Ah, wow, amazing.
I forgot.
It's okay, it's okay. Okay, I moved to Kenya. So how proud of you about the our heritage, especially in Leang Leang in Maros? How proud of you?
I really agree if we are aware of this issue because it's part of us, it's part of our nature resources,
Yes.
and we need to be proud of
Yes.
course.
Uh-huh.
And then I think everyone in this whole world needs to know that
Mm-hmm.
we have a very very old painting.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
And
continue.
I think there's many more beside of the paintings.
Uh-huh.
I think there's a
So
lot more to discover.
okay. So of course absolutely you are proud about
I do.
this,
Yes.
right? So have you was visit there?
I do. I
Oh, really?
visit the Leang Leang when I was in SMP. What is it called?
SMP?
Yeah.
Junior high school. Uh-huh.
There's a school trip. We go there
Mhm.
and we visit the paintings and the hand stamp.
Okay. So I moved to Fikri. Yeah. How do you think about the archaeologists come to our places and found many how to say amazing heritage, but our local did not aware about it?
Excuse me, can you repeat it?
I mean, how do you think about the archaeologists, the scientists come to our village, but in around, yeah, I mean, like the people, the civilization do not aware about their treasure.
Oh, yeah. I understand.
Bagaimana pendapatnya tentang orang-orang ilmuwan yang datang ke kita, tetapi ternyata orang-orang sekitar ini nggak sadar
They
dengan
are
harta
not
karun
aware.
mereka. Ah.
Because of firstly we must know why the people didn't aware about our history, we can say that. Why? Maybe because our education didn't focus on that,
Okay.
and the second, maybe our people scared about really looking
Scare.
in mystical thing that
Mystic, yeah.
if we I mean like acak-acak in this land, it will become a karma maybe,
Okay.
and yeah,
Like taboo.
yeah, taboo.
Right? Yeah.
And the third one maybe they will scared about they will miss his home. Like we don't know about this scientist or maybe something he already a lot from government or not because of that.
So this is about culture, yeah.
Culture.
A few rules, not a few, but many rules in our cultures. How to say forbid us to
Yep.
close with that object, with that
Yep.
place, because blah 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 blah, something like that, right?
Yep.
But the science did not recognize about it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I move to you. You know our civilization long time ago in prehistoric. It's a nomaden. So are you still maybe you have experience about the case about nomaden maybe in outside in another places like in outside Sulawesi, like in Papua or maybe in East Indonesia or whatever, in some place. Do you have a like similar experience maybe in Toraja or where similar experience that you have visited there?
I don't think so because yeah, we know the ancient humans is nomaden. They move from one place to another place. But yeah, we know like in the school we study about the ancient humans is our how to say our nenek moyang, you know, is from the Africa maybe. Yeah, the black one. Yeah.
50,000 years ago.
Yeah, they moved to
60,000,
Asia.
70,000 years.
They moved to Asia. They moved to Indonesia, and they you know make their keturunan. Yeah, make their circle, and also yeah, that's our they can make their own culture. They make their own communities, so they can how to say spread. They can spread.
But did you
to
know
the
we
other-
have guys? Yeah, situs a lot of that. And we can see like a megalithicum, Paleolithicum, Mesolithicum, like in maybe in central Sulawesi. Yeah, right. There is so much
Yeah.
there, right?
like the cave.
yeah, no, like megalithic, like a statue, but the
Oh yeah.
it's very unique and speechless when we visit there, and
Mhm.
at least we see on YouTube. So
Mhm.
very speechless, like in Australia or something like the island, the isolate island. Yeah, it's similar with in central Sulawesi, right? Yes. Oh my God, how could it be? So
Yeah, like how they like nomaden. They move.
yes. So do you think that we will talking about dinosaur? Oh my God, the loss of word. Yes. Are you believe that dinosaur is actually have the same period with our ancestor, or maybe our ancestor doesn't exist before, but the first is the dinosaur, and after that our ancestor, something like that. Okay, I move to Miss Ijin.
The expert.
Do you have a reference about it? Which one is the first, ancient human or dinosaur or something different?
The way it is, I know is the dinosaur is the first before the
Okay,
human.
really? Uh-huh.
Yeah. But
But why they extinct the
their
dinosaurs?
existence, it's from the way I know, it's there is no in Indonesian. But if I'm not mistaken, yeah, there is not in the Indonesian, but in another country.
Places.
Yeah. But probably about the replica,
Mhm.
because we learn it from it also, and
Mhm.
there's also the museum of the not the dinosaur, but
Mhm.
the geology museum in Bandung. It's
Okay.
most of them it's talk about the relic of the dinosaur.
Oh
But
wow.
It's not, if I'm not mistaken, it's not from Indonesian.
Maybe we will find someday in
Someday,
Indonesia, because we
probably.
cannot conclude the
But
hypothesis.
I believe there is the research of that.
Yes.
I never read about that. Yeah.
Wow, this is still mystery, right?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay. But why dinosaurs extinct? I mean, like punah. Why? Kenapa sih dinosaur itu punah? Do you have a theory, or maybe you have some reference?
Why the dinosaur?
Yes.
is- I have no idea why.
Natural selection?
Because the natural selection.
The
yeah.
damage of the maybe asteroid,
Maybe like the
or
meteor.
meteor
Yeah.
garden.
No.
Maybe we know this.
Oh my God, everybody's love yeah,
Yeah.
about meteor garden. Yeah, sunshine rip for you.
Rip, rest in love.
Oh my God. So
yeah,
you-
because probably because the natural
Mhm.
yeah,
Natural disaster, yes.
natural disaster.
Revolution
Mhm.
every period.
Yeah, not.
But do you believe the resolution of dinosaur is chicken?
Oh yeah, like the
Have you
T-Rex.
ever heard?
Yeah, you know, chicken is from T-Rex. Yeah,
Is
like
it
the evolution.
From the small to the giant? Not the giant.
Not the
not
giant,
the
from the
giant to the small.
Yeah, I've ever
Ah.
watched the resolution of
Probably, I believe. Make it simple. Because we don't have data about it. Come on, oh my god, we don't have enough iteration to how to say bedah something like that. Oh my god, yeah,
So
probably.
that's why I say that it's. I'm not really into with this.
But the
with
chicken is
this.
funny. The dinosaur is
Yeah.
scary. Okay.
It's very hard to study in prehistoric era in
Yes,
archaeology.
yes.
Yeah.
Okay, let's talk about letter or aksara. You know, of course, we have a transition from pre to aksara.
To history.
Dari sebelum mengenal tulisan ke mengenal tulisan, manuscript, something like that. Do you have a reference, guys, about the first civilization in the world who they first recognize or introduce the aksara to the world? Which one is civilization in the world? Maybe in like some continent in Africa, Asia, or Europe. Which one is the first? Do you have any idea about it?
Is it not about the ancient Egypt?
Yeah, Egypt,
Yeah,
right?
just
Yeah, I think
ancient
right. I think also.
Ancient Egypt, like if we talk in Indonesia, bahasa paku,
Mhm,
Bahasa
yeah.
Paku, hieroglyph.
like that maybe. I don't know what exactly. Egypt ancient.
Hieroglyph.
Yeah.
Hieroglyph.
Hieroglyph.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
So do you have a mantra?
I think
to make
No,
a
no.
rise to Tutankhamun. Yes.
like
Egypt.
Yeah, Egypt.
Mesopotamia, Sumeria,
I don't know exactly if
Babylonia.
Babylonia.
Mhm.
But I don't know exactly.
Babylonia,
Like King
Mhm.
Namrud.
Yeah.
King Namrud, right?
Namrud, Sumeria, maybe. Yes, Sumeria, Babylonia.
Babylonia.
Namrud. Okay. Okay. Wow.
From Abraham period.
Abraham period. So, in the first civilization to introduce or recognize the Aksara from border of Africa and Asia, right? Like in some is Asia, some is in Africa.
Oh
But
yeah.
do you believe that the Egypt ancestor they come from dark skin or they come from white skin? Dark skin, what? But
African.
yeah. But in Taste Tracer in a trilogy in a film or movie, yeah, they
Yeah,
always
yeah.
describe like from the white skin,
White
like the
skin,
Cleopatra and etc. But maybe the real is they come from dark skin, right? Yeah.
Exactly, I don't know because the nature of the nature in the past and now we don't know.
Mhm.
Maybe sometimes.
Which one you choose? Don't know, we don't know, or casino or intro? Sorry, kidding.
I know.
Do you have any addition about it? You keep your statement.
Yeah, I keep my
Okay,
statement.
keep your statement. Okay, we move to the next question, guys. Yes, my next question is about nomaden.
Mhm.
What is your reference, guys, about the life of nomaden? Are they just always nomaden for their whole life? Start from birth until they die? Are you still, or maybe they just sometimes to how to say stay, or just always nomaden until they die? What do you
Mhm.
think? Do you have a reference or statement about the nomaden civilization in the past time?
Okay.
You?
Yeah.
Okay.
uh-huh.
Okay.
I think
please.
they are not nomaden for their whole life, but yeah, I
yeah,
think
until they die, right? Nomaden always, yeah.
yeah.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, because I think they are nomaden because maybe they are unable to hunting anymore,
Uh-huh.
or maybe they are not linked for the how to say for the environment
Mhm.
like that. Maybe they are not how to say, tidak tahan,
Mhm.
in
It's not resist.
yeah, resist with the maybe the cold weather.
Mhm.
So
Hot
yeah, the hot weather. So they move to another place,
Mhm.
and until they get some place which is maybe very comfort for them.
Mhm.
So they stay like.
But did you know we
say-
don't know never enough to around the world, especially in the past time. We just walking by foot, of course. So I think absolutely never enough. I don't believe if there is someone can around the world in the past time, like just how to say, walking on the foot. Yeah, you know, like sing a song from Adele, never enough. Okay, please continue your statement.
Yeah, I think like yeah, we know maybe in our how to say, in our books, we
Mhm.
know the Prophet Adam, they walk
Mhm.
around the world. Maybe not for
But maybe Adam in the past time is very
Yeah.
giant,
Yeah.
right?
very big,
Tall.
Very tall,
like
very big.
27 feet.
27 feet. Okay, you can
yeah.
imagine, guys. How many?
I
How
can.
tall? Oh my god.
Yeah, that's from two perspective, from religious perspective and also from the scientists. They
Mhm.
say like 27 feet
Mhm. 27
uh-huh.
feet.
high of the
High.
Prophet Adam.
And the location is India or
yeah,
Sri Lanka?
Yeah, Sri Lanka. They Adam move. They come from the heaven and down to the earth, and from the Sri Lanka,
in
and
India, right?
they walk around the earth until they meet.
If
Eve.
Yeah, if
Eve. We know the funny story of the Eve. She just walking in one country.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah.
So like Adam is full effort
Uh-huh.
to find Eve.
Oh my god.
They Adam meet maybe the hard weather and also the hard way to find Eve. But if just like stay in one country, just walking around like that, so they meet in Arafah.
Okay, wow. So
Love
Yeah.
story.
Yeah.
The first love story.
Oh, so sweet. Yeah, on earth. Yeah. Okay, guys. I move to the next question. My question is, how do you think about our generation? How we can make how to say, I mean, like as the agent of change, yeah, because we are agent of change, we are still young, and golden generation into how do you campaign about history to another people, especially for young generation? Do you have like tips or maybe some way to make they realize our history? Yeah, maybe start from you, Kenya.
I think the old ancestry actually taught us a lot of things. I mean, they taught us to find something new, to learn something new, to discover a lot of things. They also intend to a technology, like they only know stones and rock, and then they made up into the tools, and then they're always discover a lot of things, and the knowledge that can be used to the next generation. I think.
But in the reality in the field, I mean, like almost of a new generation did not melek. Yeah, they're ignoring
because it's just the past.
So
they
this is
said.
not important.
Yeah.
The important is my how to say, my future,
Yeah.
not my past. Oh my god, please move on. So how do you think about that phenomena? They ignore they are not malek, something like that.
I just don't agree with that,
Mhm.
because I mean, we need to know that because it's
Mhm.
part of us.
Mhm.
It's part of the history.
History, our DNA,
Yeah,
our ancestors.
we need to know. That's
Yeah.
the I mean, that's knowledge.
Mhm.
We need to know it.
Mhm.
We need to explain it to people if we are meet to other people around.
Mhm.
Mm.
But it's very very mencengangkan that in Indonesia there is no original Indonesian people because we are
Yeah.
because we are from everywhere.
Yeah.
So the DNA of Indonesia is combined, very complicated, right?
Mm,
Very
yeah.
very complicated. So I want to ask to Miss Ijin, yeah. How do you think about our complicated DNA? Because the statement, there is a statement that mencengangkan, how to say in English, mencengangkan, that we are not original in Indonesia because we are come from everywhere to mix and to be one, something like that. We are from everywhere DNA in the whole civilization in the world and DNA. So how do you think about it?
Yeah, I learned about it.
Mhm.
And we from like forgot. I really forgot what the.
It's okay, it's okay.
yeah,
So let's go on.
From the Austronesia, not the Austronesia.
Austronesian,
Melayu, Austro forgot.
Mongoloid,
Yeah, Mongoloid.
Mongoloid,
Yeah.
Melanesia.
Torajanis and the Bataknis.
Are you Torajan?
Yeah.
Okay, so you have similar with Batak, right?
Yeah. Because our nenek moyang.
Ancestor.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
From the Taiwan, if
Yeah,
I'm not
Taiwan.
mistaken.
Mhm.
Yeah. That's
Like
that's.
Dayak.
Yeah, Dayak.
Mhm.
That's why our traditional have the similar.
Like accessories, rumbai-rumbai, right?
Rumah adatnya,
Uh-huh.
it's the same, like just like perahu.
Mhm,
Yeah,
mhm. Oh yeah,
the roof.
yeah, the roof, yeah.
Uh,
Okay, so it's very close, yeah.
Mm,
But because different place, of course there is like metamorphosis, and yeah, of course the language is different. The characteristic different, but the traditional house, the traditional custom, the accessories, it's very similar, but
Similar.
get closer, right?
And I
Mm.
want to talk about the equation from Miss Kani.
Okay.
Yeah, because I learned from it the archaeology. The
Okay.
archaeology student learn from the preservation of cultural heritage.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, by understanding the past, we can gain the
Mhm.
we can gain the new perspective
Mhm.
from the recent, that from the past to the recent,
Okay.
to the next generation.
Mhm.
Yeah, because in archaeology, it's very different from history
Mhm.
and from the archaeology.
Okay.
Some of
What
them
is the
talk-
different?
Some of them this talk it's quite same.
Mhm.
Yeah, but from the archaeologists, we learn from the tangible object. It's the
Okay.
artifact, the site,
Mhm.
the object.
Mhm.
Yeah, from and the history they learn from the manuscript.
Mhm.
The archaeologists not digging.
Suddenly, I realized that this topic is hard.
The archaeology is
yes,
not.
yes. Okay, come on, continue.
The archaeology is not digging the manuscript, but we are digging from the site. Yeah. Have you ever
Oh my god.
we talk the excavation. Excavation is like you're digging in the site that you can find some of the bones, some of the
Wow.
the kerangka.
Mhm, mhm. Okay.
Yeah.
The skeleton, you means?
Y-
Oh
yeah.
wow.
Some of the cave in the South Sulawesi found I forgot the English of kerangka. Have you ever heard
Fossil.
the research
Mhm.
from my lecture
Mhm.
from a professor in Hasanuddin University? They found, I forgot the what time is it? What year is it? 22? I forgot. They found they called bese. Bese, it's because DNA is women.
Okay.
Dari
The old.
not the old, but kerangka.
Mhm.
Yeah,
Dia
yeah.
dapat kerangka
The skeleton.
dari-
Ya,
from
skeleton.
the cave. Saya lupa lagi nama site-nya. in Maros.
Oh wow. Oh my God.
There's a lot of thing in Maros. You can find it. Not just for
Mm.
leang-leang.
Mhm.
Iya betul.
Okay. Wow. Because in the past time in the Maros, you know the cars from like Kapur.
Yeah,
And the past time is the ocean, right?
Mm-mm.
Yes. Oh.
The archaeology student we need to learn about how to preservation the cultural heritage because it's for the next generation.
Okay.
That's why we learn about it.
Wow. Thank you, Miss Ijin. Okay. I move to you. What is your conclusion about our topic for this evening?
My conclusion, just remember what our founder said. Insinyur
Who
Soekarno.
is your
Insinyur Soekarno.
father? Oh,
Yeah.
the father.
Do not ever forget the history.
Because
Just mirror.
the big nation.
Huh?
Okay.
Yeah, okay,
Just it.
yeah. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Oh my God. Okay, what about you, Fikri? What is your conclusion about it? But before you answer, maybe if you have still extra time, you may, after this, mention about the vocabulary, about the wise word, about the idioms, and etc. But okay, come on, continue your answer.
My conclusion tidak jauh beda dengan saudara Nob. Like don't forget our history because the big nations always remember his history.
Yes.
Like we can see there are many countries always remember her essence, like Russia. They always remember Uni Soviet.
Russia, you
Russia.
know the little girl Masha. Okay.
Masha.
Okay.
You can see that Russia always
Uh-huh.
remember her ancestor. It is Uni Soviet.
Okay.
And Iran
Mhm.
always remember her ancestor. It is Persia.
Okay. Yeah.
And else, I think it is one of the big country always remember her ancestor.
Okay,
Thank
thank
you.
you. Okay, what about you, Miss Ijin? What is your conclusion about our topic this evening?
If you want to learn history,
Please call me.
please join the archaeology.
Oh, wow. Very
Imagination.
short but meaningful. Yes. Okay. Only that? Just it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Because same like Sir No,
Uh-huh.
we from the history,
Uh-huh.
so we need to learn our story.
Okay. Thank you. What about you, Kania? Mhm.
I think that we should be aware of these history things because first, it's part of us. Learning about history or prehistory is actually our culture, and we
Mhm.
should proud of it.
Mhm.
And second is we actually can learn a lot of them. We can learn about how they found anything, they discover new things, and value their survival lives. Yeah. To the
Okay.
generation.
Thank you guys. Tidak ada masa depan jika tidak ada sejarah. Thank you so
Exactly.
much. Okay, give a applause for us. Yeah, thank you so much for coming in our second home. Thank you Kania from Meta. Thank you Miss Ijin from Meta. Thank you Fikri from BPC. Thank you Noval or Nob from Equinsa. Yes. Okay, give a applause once again. Yeah, don't forget always listen and watch Smart FM 101.1, the Spirit of Indonesia Business Inspiration, especially in Smart English communities. Yeah, I mean with Smart FM with views English community in Sulawesi, especially in Makassar. And always listen and watch Smart FM 101.1, the Spirit of Indonesia. See you for the next week. Good night. Bye bye.